How to change profile picture on Binomo.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're looking for a way to change your profile picture on Binomo, then the first thing to do is to open up a web browser and type in Binomo.com in the URL box and search. Make sure that you're logged into your Binomo.com account, and once you're inside, go to the upper right hand corner and click on your initial or your current profile picture. In the expanded menu, select Profile. Now you'll be inside your account details page. Mouse over on the current profile icon and click on Change. This will now take you to your device's camera roll or your device's library, from where you can select a photo you want to upload. Double click on the image and place it in the circle and click Save. Now you have uploaded a profile picture for yourself, and right there you have changed your profile avatar right away. So that's it. That's how you easily add or change your profile picture on Binomo.com website. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.